Greetings, very warm welcome to all of you. Today we are going to see a very important topic on how your portfolio can glitter. I am Sundar from Canary Capital Solutions. The topic is about how to invest in gold and make money for yourself. So before getting into gold, let's see how Indians invest. Across the world, Indians are one of the great lovers towards investing in gold, and we hold about 11% of the total household assets in gold, and we are the highest in the entire world. The other countries have a very few percentage of investment towards gold. And many times when we invest in gold, we actually confuse between the utility aspect of it and the investing aspect of it. The house where you live is a utility and not a investment. Similarly, the jewelry what you own is an utility and not an investment, because whenever the price appreciates, we never sell and make money out of it. So what is investing? Investing is all about you have cash in your hand and you invest in an asset. It could be gold, it could be real estate, and whenever the price appreciates, you go and sell and convert that asset back into cash. So only if you complete the cycle, this becomes investing. So to make this process simple and invest in gold and convert back into cash, ideally you should be investing electronic gold. So now we will see how you can invest in electronic gold. Broadly, investing in gold is divided into physical and the electronic side. Physical, as we all know, either we buy the jewelry or the gold bars or the coins. So we are not going to speak about that part of gold. The electronic part, you can invest in gold ETFs or in sovereign gold bond funds. So what are gold ETFs? Gold ETFs are funds which are backed by physical gold. So as an investor, you invest in these funds, and whenever the price appreciates, you sell, you make the difference. So these are open-ended schemes where any investor can come in at any point of time and exit at any point of time, depending upon how long they would like to stay invested. The second is the sovereign gold bond fund, which is the latest offering by the government of India. This has been launched to disincentivize investors from investing in physical gold, because a lot of forex reserve have been used to import gold. These are very attractive to investors because these gold bond funds also gives you a fixed interest per annum of 2.5%, which is very, very attractive. So as I was explaining, your gold bond funds come with a 8-year horizon. These are locked funds. You keep getting about 2.5% per annum interest. You can invest right from 1 gram to a maximum of 4 kilograms. These are not always open. These are open in tranches. So generally in a year about 4 to 5 tranches is allowed, and once during those period alone you can invest, and these are for a long period of time. So ideally, if you want to own physical gold, this is the best way of investing in gold. One, you also get the price appreciation of gold, also you make some interest out of it. So to compare between physical gold investing and electronic gold investing, the electronic gold investing gives you a lot of advantages, right from the cost of buying and selling gold. If you buy physical gold, a lot of money is being taken away by jewelers by way of making charges and other wastage charges, whereas if you invest the same through electronic form, your costs are very low or it is zero. Also, to operate it, it is very, very easy. To exit, it is very, very easy, and it also gives you some kind of interest also. And the biggest advantage is it eliminates the risk of holding physical gold. So as we all know, if you hold physical gold, you always have the risk of it getting stolen away. So that risk is being eliminated in electronic gold. So if you look at how these gold funds have performed, the ETFs have performed, the last 1 year, the physical gold has actually appreciated by about 44%. Similarly, the ETFs and the gold funds have also appreciated by about 44%. So from a return point of view, both give you the same returns, but the convenience of electronic gold is much more higher. So to summarize, if you look at it, gives you a lot of flexibility. it gives you price appreciation, and to make an asset allocation towards gold, this is one of the ideal way to invest in gold. Also, it is very easy to buy and sell gold, and it eliminates all the risk associated with buying a physical gold. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.